Well, election is the season of making promises. Some of the promises made by political parties can really touch a chord with different section of voters. One such promise is the setting up of a food processing unit for mangoes in West Bengal's Maldaha, which has 2 parliamentary seats, Uttar and Dakshin, going to polls on the 7th of May. Gautam Roy reports for more.
Malda, the king among mangoes, where in Malda, the place which is named after the fruit and is also known as the mango capital of West Bengal, which is India's largest mango producing state, and India is the largest mango producer in the entire world. It's early May and the trees are laden with the fruit, and the mango orchard owners and merchants are looking forward to a grand harvest. On an average, Malda produces 350,000 metric tons of mangoes a year using 31,000 hectares of land involving nearly 450,000 people. 3 varieties have even got the prestigious geographical indicator or GI tag, but it has no major processing facility. As ripe mangoes are perishable and there is no at-scale cost-effective technique yet to store them in bulk, experts say 25 to 30% of the harvest goes waste. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while campaigning in the region on the 26th of April, announced that Malda will soon have a dedicated processing facility for mangoes and makhana.
हम कहते हैं कि हमारे मालदा के किसानों का आम और मालदा के किसानों का मखाना पूरी दुनिया में फेमस है। उनकी आमदनी बढ़े, उन्हें ज्यादा पैसा मिले, इसके लिए यहाँ फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री लगाएंगे।
यहाँ पे mango processing mother industry होना बहुत जरूरी है।
It is very important to have a mango mother processing industry in Malda. With the mother processing industry, ancillary units will come up around it in the Malda and nearby districts. A lot of people will get jobs because of it, who otherwise are going to other places to find jobs.
Food processing industry बन जाएगा, mother industry बन जाएगा, तो यहाँ का आदमी लोग यहाँ पे अपना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, अपना स्टेट में काम कर सकेगा।
A pilot processing facility for mangoes and other produce like honey has been set up in Malda's Central Government Horticulture Research Centre to support local tribals, particularly women. Its products are 100% natural and will soon be available on e-commerce platforms.
ICR is going to support in a big way. We'd like to have a bigger facility at this station so that we can render best of the support to the women as well as other entrepreneurs from different parts of West Bengal as well as adjoining states of the states.
Mangoes are the mainstay of Malda's economy. Both Uttar and Dakshin Malda parliamentary seats are going to polls on the 7th of May in the third of India's 7-phase national elections. Clearly, it's a high-stakes election for both Malda's Aam, which means mango in Hindi, and Aam Matdata, or in English, the common voter. With camera person Uttam Singh, Gautam Roy, Dakshin Malda, DD India.